Hey guys, I'm Chef Daz. Welcome. I'm going to give you guys some great tips to make your life easier. These are tips from the chef. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a crunchy Chinese chicken salad. So the first thing we're going to do is start cutting our lettuce. So you cut the tops off just to get an even cut. Now you're going to take your knife and run it down the side. And just do a nice chop on your romaine lettuce. Throw that in the bowl. You're then going to take your Napa cabbage, cut that in half, cut a little bit off the top off, cut it in the middle to make shorter pieces, and then we're just going to do a nice chop of your Napa cabbage. And what this does is provide a little bit of different texture. Now that we have that in the bowl, we can start adding our other ingredients. I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to add my mandarin oranges. A little bit of my black sesame seeds. Sesame oil. Want to mix that up real good with a pair of tongs. You want to get a nice coating. When plating salad, you always want to go in the middle of the plate. And you want to make sure it has height. A flat salad doesn't look good. Then we're going to add our crispy wontons on top. And here's your crispy Chinese chicken salad. I'm Chef Daz. See you soon.